Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access, Password and Security. Then tap on Face section next to Lock Screen Password. Tap on Agree in the Statement of Use and enter your current login method. Following that, just follow all of the instructions from your screen and tap on Continue. Remember to keep your face in frame. Finally, you can hit Done at the bottom. Adjust all of those options if you want to, and then select Home button. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!